Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. Today we're going to learn how to add pictures to TikTok videos. It's very easy and quick. Once we are done, you will be able to add a photo to any TikTok video you want. The first thing we need to do is open the TikTok app. Once we're in the main menu feed, where all the users' uploaded videos are, we should tap the plus button that appears at the bottom center of the screen, just as if we were going to upload a video. We will see all the effects that TikTok offers, but we need to select the green screen effect. This effect will allow us to upload the photo we want. After selecting the effect, we will need to choose a photo from our album. Then you can adjust and edit the photo to your liking. You can increase or decrease its size. With the edited photo, you will need to record a video. Once you have the photo and video recorded, all that's left is to publish it on TikTok. That's all. Now you're ready to use it again. I hope this tutorial video helped you to solve this issue. See you next time.